In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Copper CRM with Zapier. We'll start right at your browser. Search for Copper CRM and open the official site from the top result. Once you're on the home page, sign in to your Copper account so you can access the settings needed for the integration. After you're signed in, look to the left-hand menu and head into Workspace Settings. This is where Copper keeps the admin-level options for your account. Inside Workspace Settings, find and click Integrations. You'll see a list of available apps and connections. Locate the Zapier listing, then click the blue Generate Token button on the right. A unique token will appear. Copy it immediately. You'll need it in just a moment. And for security reasons, you may not be able to see it again once you leave the page. Keep it somewhere secure while you complete the connection. Now switch over to Zapier and log into your account. At the top menu, go to the Apps Connection section. This is where you connect and manage the apps you use in your automations. Search for Copper and select Add Connection. A pop-up window will appear asking for two things: the email address you use with your Copper account and the token you just generated. Paste the token carefully, making sure there are no extra spaces, and enter the same email you used to sign in to Copper. Then click Yes. Continue to authorize the connection. If everything checks out, Zapier will confirm the account is connected. With the connection in place, you're ready to build automated workflows, called Zaps, using Copper as either a trigger or an action. Start by choosing what kicks things off. You can use a Copper event like New Lead or Updated Opportunity Status, or you can start from another app, such as a new row in Google Sheets. Next, set the action, what you want to happen after the trigger fires. Common Copper actions include create or update person, create activity, or update company, depending on how you want data to flow. When you configure the action, map your fields. This means matching data from your trigger to the right Copper fields. For example, mapping a form's email field to Copper's email field, or a company name to the company field. Take a moment to double-check these mappings, as accurate matching saves time later. Finally, run a test to confirm data is moving correctly from the trigger to Copper. If the test looks good, turn the Zap on to make it live. That's it. Your Copper CRM and Zapier integration is now ready to automate your workflow and keep your data in sync without manual effort.